So we're back with the K-pop catch-up series that I have not found a better name for, but this is the series where I'm gonna be going through K-pop that I've missed and purposely did not watch for this series so I can catch up with you guys. So yeah, let's go to our list, and today's video is Namjoo from Apink. Her music video for Bird, which is her solo debut, isn't it? Yay! I know I've been doing a lot of solo reactions, but I guess it's just like that's what's been out that I'm like really into. So yeah, I'm excited because I love Apink and I love Namjoo. So yeah, excited. I actually have not even seen, say for like thumbnails of videos, I've not seen anything about this one, like not teasers, nothing. So let me just fix this. And why does my hair always look like that? Yeah. Ready? Let's go. Ooh. Those are arrows. Okay. 눈을 떠 나의 뭔가 부서지는 듯한 기분 내 숨을 쉬어 거기 뭔가 불러지는 듯한 이름에 그래 맞잖아 널 찾아가야지 꺼지던 불씨 다시 키워봐야지 떠났던 너 죽어도 잡아야지 이젠 날개를 꺼내 I'm just ooh, ooh. She was climbing up. Oh. Wait, there was so much in 1 minute, but I have not said a thing because, wait. Ha. Wait. First of all, this part is super cool. This is so cool. And her eye makeup. Choreography is just too cool. I can. This, I said this before, but I love when they do like cool formations. This is it. Oh god. Also, the changes from the whites and stuff to like bright green red. You cut your hair and you're free. I don't know why that's a thing, but also this outfit. I also did not realize it was the same set with different lighting, which is really cool. And what the hell? Wow. Her makeup artist is just... The scene with the ropes is so cool. This is different. I'm just like, Namjoo, I was not expecting that, and I like it. I'm gonna be real like a boy. I'm in love. Oh my god. Oh my god. Namjoo. I don't know what I was expecting. I probably I don't know. I know I said I've seen like thumbnails, but I don't know. I don't know what I was expecting, but this is so cool. Namjoo. Whoa. It's like, I don't know. It's not even that I still have like the old image of Apink in my head or anything, because like, yeah, they used to do like lots of cutesy stuff, but then they also had like, you know, all their recent comebacks, which are cool, but this is like completely different, which is cool because I say cool a lot today, but which is really great because you know, they get to explore other sides, like, and I like this direction a lot. It was mostly, I was like, the choreography was very interesting, like how they put the scenes, like with the part where they're like in the room with the arrows and it's like all beige white-ish, and then it suddenly goes into the green and red, and then we go to black and red, and it like, the lighting changes. It's just like I don't know, their use of colors was just like pop in my face. Yeah, that was really cool. I loved it. I just want to listen to it over and over and over again. I know I say that a lot, but it's a good song. So yeah, I enjoyed that a lot. And I don't know, it makes me really happy that like just like the diversity, I guess, because again, I'm like recalling old Apink stuff and then like recent Apink stuff, and this is very different to both of them, kind of. So yeah, I'm happy. So yeah, I enjoyed this, and I'm gonna go and listen to the song a few more times probably after I finish filming. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please leave me a comment down below if there is anything else you want me to react to. If you feel like subscribing or heading over to my covers channel, where I post mostly like vocal and dance covers for K-pop actually. It's called Nana's Universe. Feel free to check it out if you'd like. And yeah, I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye bye!